In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yoast SEO Sitemap not working. If your Yoast sitemap is not loading, showing an error, or seems to be missing pages, don't worry. This is usually caused by a setting, a cache issue, or a conflict with another plugin or your theme. We're going to walk through the most important checks inside WordPress so you can get your sitemap working again. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage all of the settings related to your site and plugins. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for Yoast SEO in the left-hand menu and click on it. This will open the main Yoast area where the plugins, features, and configuration options are stored. Next, click on Settings. From there, go to Site Features. This section controls several built-in Yoast tools, including the XML sitemap feature. Once you're there, make sure the XML sitemaps toggle is switched on. If it's turned off, your sitemap may not generate at all. If you had to turn it on, give the site a moment to save the change. After that, clear all caching. This is an important step because even if the sitemap setting is correct, your website may still be showing an old cached version. Clear any cache from your caching plugin, your hosting cache if your provider uses one, and any CDN cache if applicable. This helps ensure you're seeing the most up-to-date version of the sitemap. If the sitemap still isn't working, check for plugin and theme conflicts. Sometimes another plugin or even the active theme can interfere with Yoast sitemap generation. A good way to test this is to temporarily deactivate other plugins one by one and check whether the sitemap starts working. If needed, you can also briefly switch to a default WordPress theme to rule out a theme-related issue. Next, verify your sitemap URL. Open the sitemap in your browser and confirm that it loads correctly. Make sure you're using the proper sitemap address generated by Yoast, and check whether the page loads normally instead of returning a 404 error, a blank page, or a server issue. Finally, check for empty sitemaps. In some cases, the sitemap itself may be working, but specific sections appear empty because there's no eligible content to include. For example, if a post type has no published content or is excluded from search results, that sitemap may not display entries. By following these checks in order, you can usually identify what's preventing Yoast SEO from generating or displaying your sitemap properly. Once everything is working, your sitemap should be accessible and ready for search engines to crawl.